When you first start out as a nail technician and someone decides to give you a job, they train you, they give you their skill set, they let you use the product to practice, they even give you clientele even if they know you're not good. They give you a good place to work where you can call home. So appreciate that owner, because I know some of you, the moment you guys get a little bit better, you have more booking, your income is more consistently, your appreciation gets a little bit less for the owner, because now you're over yourself. You'll start thinking like, oh, I'm good. The client loves me. The owner needs me. I'm the one who's making her money. And y'all start calculating how many service you take in each day and how much money that you have to split with the owner. But I just want to let you know, the owner doesn't get rich over what she takes or he takes from you. What we take from you as an owner is just to cover the overhead, the electricity, utility, the product, supplies, to keep the doors open so that you can continue to bring your clients in, so that you can continue to build your career. That's why we take the cut. In order for the owner to make money in the salon, they have to work. That's why you see a lot of owners, they're on the floor taking in clients, same thing as you. They have to work because what they earn to keep 100%. But what you make is just to keep the doors open. But at the end of the day, there's a lot of responsibility for the owner, things that they have to go through. And if they're willing to help you and give you a career, appreciate them.